Experiencing a high-pitched whine, chirp, or feedback from your AirPods Pro 3, especially with active noise cancellation on? You're not alone. About 10 to 15% of users report this issue. This is often due to feedback loops in the active noise cancellation system. The most common cause is an imperfect seal, which allows sound leakage that internal microphones pick up and amplify. This sound is typically in the 2 to 5 kilohertz range. Before troubleshooting, distinguish the sound. A whine is typically ANC related, while static might indicate a battery issue and crackling may mean Bluetooth interference. Use Apple's built-in audio tester to help diagnose the problem. First, ensure a proper fit with the correct ear tip size. AirPods Pro 3 come with 4 sizes: small, medium, large, and extra large. A good seal is crucial for effective active noise cancellation and prevents feedback loops that cause the high-pitched noise. Next, update your AirPods to the latest firmware through your iPhone's settings. Apple released updates like iOS 18.2 in March 2025 and firmware version 7A503 in September 2025, which reduce whine occurrences by optimizing active noise cancellation stability. As of early 2025, Apple offers limited replacements for defective units with confirmed hardware faults, such as microphone misalignment. Check eligibility through the support app or website to see if your AirPods qualify. Try toggling between active noise cancellation and transparency mode. If the high-pitched noise disappears in transparency mode, it confirms the issue is ANC related and not a hardware problem. As a last resort, consider using a third-party app that offers manual active noise cancellation adjustments. These unofficial apps allow fine-tuning that may eliminate the feedback loop causing the whine. If the problem persists after these steps, contact Apple support. Especially if the noise occurs only on one side, this may indicate a hardware issue like microphone misalignment in the AirPods' internal components.